Lover, how are you today? Easy to baby.
He's such a cocky bastard.
Oh, it's Cheddar.
Mm.
Hi, Butthole.
It's Mr. Butthole.
It is Mr. Butthole.
Nick, stop licking my butter.
Oh,
Sorry.
yeah, beautiful.
Hey. He won't look at you, will he?
Nah, sort of. Come on. Hey,
Hey, eat this.
why would you put an egg roll in his mouth?
Because he likes it. See? Don't you? Don't tape me eating.
I'm not taping you.
Oh, my husband. Okay, look at Nicky. Your bandana.
Love it.